Understanding valet parking, an easy guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of valet parking. This term is common in many English-speaking countries, and understanding it can be really useful, especially if you are traveling or living in these areas. So, let's dive in and learn about valet parking. Valet parking is a service usually offered at hotels, restaurants, airports, and other venues. In this system, you drive your car to the entrance of the location, and a valet, which is an employee of the establishment, takes over the driving. They park your car in a designated area and retrieve it for you when you're ready to leave. This service is particularly convenient in busy or crowded areas where finding parking can be challenging. When you arrive at a venue offering valet parking, you'll typically see a sign or a stand labeled valet parking. Here, you hand over your car keys to the valet. They give you a ticket or a receipt, which you use to reclaim your car later. The valet then drives your car to a secure parking area. When you're ready to leave, you simply give the ticket back to the valet, who retrieves your car for you. In many places, tipping the valet is customary. While not mandatory, it's a way to show appreciation for the service, especially if the valet has provided extra assistance, like helping with luggage or directions. The amount can vary, but a small tip is always appreciated. Also, remember to remove any valuable items from your car for safety. Valet parking offers several benefits. Convenience, especially in crowded areas. Time-saving, as you don't have to search for parking. Assistance, valets can help with luggage or directions. I hope this video has helped you understand what valet parking is and how it works. It's a convenient service that can make your visits to various places more relaxed and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.